in Argentina, this is a cultural drink, and so they would expect to drink mate probably 2 and 3 times a day. Like we drink coffee, they drink mate, but it's a cultural drink. It's a drink where we share with each other and we sit down, we have a conversation, and we have mate. So now I'm going to shake it to get the dust out of it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And that's just it. And it's allowed so many conversations of just about life and faith and our journey that we were going on. And so mate has been kind of the vehicle for us to share about who we are. And this is called a bombija. You'll take this bombija and you'll put it in to the gourd, and we'll actually share this drink. All of us will drink out of the same straw and share this drink as part of the culture, as part of being together. It's got 3 forms, I think, of caffeine called matein, and but instead of where coffee it goes to your nervous system, mate will a lot of times, to my understanding, goes to your muscular system, and so it soothes your muscles versus makes you jittery. So it seems like right now the Argentinian people are quite healthy and predominantly not overwhelmingly obese. And I don't know if that has to do with the mate or just the fact that they choose to eat and drink a bit differently, but